Hi, this is Jocelyn Gerard and this is Wally.
My name is Debra Thompson, and I would like to invite you to the Secretary Workshop
During the 2021 Virtual Park Advisory Conference.
There, you will learn how to promote and successfully run a meeting.
You'll learn about the responsibilities of being a secretary and how to keep your group organized. We will go over agendas, minutes, paperwork, and communication, best practices.
Registration is open for the 2021 Park Advisory Conference, March 6th.
Hi, my name is Irene Tostado, and I'd like to invite you to What Should I Post? A brief guide to creating engaging posts. This workshop is part of the 2021 Virtual Park Advisory Council Conference. During this session, PAC members will be introduced to tools for creating attractive content and measuring engagement effectiveness. At the end of the session, PAC members will walk away with knowledge about the social media platforms that best align with their brand and goals. We look forward to seeing you. Registration is open. Visit our website, www.chicagoparkdistrict.com, for more information.